We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the FlashCatch light-up soccer ball, glow in the dark, size 5. This review is designed to help you make an informed decision, whether you are considering this as a gift, a training tool, or a fun addition to your evening activities. If you already own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others in their decision-making process. The link to the product is in the description below, and using it helps support the channel. The FlashCatch light-up soccer ball is marketed as a glow-in-the-dark, official size 5 soccer ball designed for boys and girls aged 8 to 15 and beyond. It is manufactured by Squad Hero under the FlashCatch brand and is intended to transform nighttime play with vibrant LED illumination that activates on impact. The ball is constructed from molded rubber, weighs approximately 0.57 kilograms, and comes in a bright orange color for high visibility. It is promoted as a perfect gift for soccer fans of all ages and skill levels, offering a professional grip, official weight, and a smooth feel akin to regulation soccer balls. The package includes replacement batteries, ensuring that playtime is not cut short, although it does not include a pump, so users must have their own inflator on hand. One of the most celebrated features is the LED lighting system, which is triggered by any touch or kick. This system is engineered to automatically turn off after play, conserving battery life and ensuring the ball is always ready for the next game. According to user feedback, the glow is solid and excels particularly well after sundown, making it an excellent choice for evening or rainy day games. The ball comes with extra batteries, and each set is rated for up to 30 hours of play, which is a significant advantage for those who want uninterrupted fun. The inclusion of spare batteries is frequently highlighted as a thoughtful addition, reducing the hassle of sourcing replacements and extending the product's usability right out of the box. In terms of build quality, users consistently report that the FlashCatch light-up soccer ball feels like a genuine soccer ball, not a lightweight or flimsy toy. It is regulation-sized and has a professional grip, which is important for both casual play and more serious training. The molded rubber construction provides durability and resilience, allowing the ball to withstand repeated kicks and rough play. The texture offers a nice grip, contributing to better handling and control, which is especially valuable for younger players who are still developing their skills. The bright orange color, combined with the LED illumination, ensures the ball is highly visible even in low-light conditions, reducing the risk of losing it during nighttime games. Another aspect that stands out in user reviews is the versatility of the ball. It is suitable for a wide range of ages, from young children to teens and even adults who enjoy a casual game. Some users have even adapted the ball for use with pets, such as dogs, by adjusting the air pressure to make it easier for them to grip. This adaptability makes the FlashCatch light-up soccer ball a unique addition to family gatherings, parties, and backyard games, as well as a valuable training tool for aspiring soccer players who want to practice after dark. The ball's usability extends beyond just its lighting feature. The official size and weight mean that it can be used in regular games and training sessions without compromising on the feel or performance expected from a standard soccer ball. Players appreciate that it does not feel like a novelty item, but rather a legitimate piece of sports equipment. The LED lights are bright and responsive, turning on with every touch, which adds an exciting visual element to the game and can help keep younger players engaged. The ball's performance in wet conditions is also noted, with the grip and texture maintaining their quality even during rainy weather, making it a reliable choice for year-round play. Despite the many positive attributes, there are a few points of constructive criticism that potential buyers should consider. The most commonly mentioned drawback is that the ball arrives deflated and does not include a pump. This means that users must have their own inflator to get started, which could be an inconvenience for some. However, this is a standard practice for many sports balls and is generally not seen as a major issue. Another minor critique is that the ball has a slightly plastic feel compared to premium match balls, although this does not detract from its overall performance or enjoyment. Some users also note that the LED mechanism adds a small amount of weight, but this is minimal and does not significantly affect play. The FlashCatch light-up soccer ball has received a strong positive response from customers, with a 4.6 out of 5 stars rating based on over 1,300 reviews. It ranks highly in several categories, including toy soccer products and soccer balls, and is recognized as a bestseller in the sports and outdoor segment. Many reviewers mention that it makes an excellent gift, particularly for children and teens who are passionate about soccer. The novelty of being the only player on the team with a glowing soccer ball adds to its appeal, and the durability ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use. Parents and gift givers appreciate the value for money, noting that the ball is interactive, engaging, and provides hours of entertainment. The inclusion of replacement batteries is seen as a significant plus as it extends the life of the product and reduces ongoing costs. The ball's ability to light up with every kick or touch makes it especially fun for group games, and the bright glow is a hit at birthday parties and evening gatherings. The ball's resilience to rough play, including being used by pets, further demonstrates its robust construction and versatility. For those considering the FlashCatch light-up soccer ball as a training tool, it offers several advantages. The official size and weight make it suitable for drills and practice sessions, while the LED lighting adds an extra layer of motivation for players who may otherwise be reluctant to train after dark. Coaches and parents report that the ball helps keep young players engaged and excited about practice, and the visual feedback from the lights can aid in developing coordination and timing. The ball's grip and texture are conducive to skill development, making it a practical choice for both beginners and more advanced players. In terms of safety, the ball's bright illumination reduces the risk of accidents during nighttime play by ensuring that it is always visible. The molded rubber construction provides a balance of firmness and flexibility, reducing the likelihood of injury from impact. The ball's design is unisex and suitable for a wide range of users, making it an inclusive option for mixed age and mixed gender games. The orange color further enhances visibility, complementing the LED lighting and making the ball easy to spot in various environments. The FlashCatch light-up soccer ball is also recognized for its role in promoting outdoor activity and physical fitness. By making soccer more accessible and enjoyable after dark, it encourages children and teens to spend more time outdoors, away from screens and sedentary activities. The ball's engaging features help foster a love of sports and teamwork, and its durability ensures that it can be a long-lasting addition to any family's collection of outdoor toys and sports equipment. From a gifting perspective, the ball is frequently described as a standout present that delights recipients and stands out from more conventional toys and sports gear. The novelty of the glowing effect, combined with the practical benefits of a regulation-sized soccer ball, makes it a memorable and appreciated gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. The packaging is compact and the product is easy to wrap, adding to its appeal as a gift item. In summary, the FlashCatch light-up soccer ball offers a compelling combination of fun, functionality, and durability. Its LED lighting system transforms nighttime and low-light play, making soccer accessible and exciting after sundown. The ball's official size, weight, and grip ensure that it meets the standards expected by serious players, while its robust construction and included spare batteries add to its value and longevity. The main drawbacks are the absence of a pump and a slightly plastic feel compared to premium match balls. But these are minor issues in light of the overall positive experience reported by users. The ball's popularity, high customer ratings, and bestseller status attest to its quality and appeal. If you are looking for a unique and engaging soccer ball that can be enjoyed by kids, teens, families, and even pets, the FlashCatch light-up soccer ball is an excellent choice. It is well suited for evening games, parties, training sessions, and casual play, and its glowing effect adds a new dimension to the sport. With its combination of professional features and innovative design, it stands out as a top pick in the category of sports gifts and outdoor toys. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more or to make a purchase, and please leave your own review in the comments if you have experience with this product. Your feedback helps others make informed decisions and supports the channel.